The exclusive resort of Costa Smeralda occupies a small corner of Sardinia, which lies right in the centre of the Mediterranean. Sardinia is part of Italy, but Costa Smeralda, it's in a league of its own.
.007 may have had his eye on the girls, but this is the 21st century and I'm entitled to do my bit of fun too. There's no doubt people watching on any holiday is a great sport, but here it reaches new heights. You never quite know who you may spot. If you've got it and you want to flaunt it, then this is the place to come. Just make sure you've got plenty of it. 40 years ago, this entire resort was virgin coastline, a secret corner of Sardinia which proudly boasted the most crystal clear, emerald green waters in the Mediterranean. The Aga Khan liked it so much he bought the area, and in the 1960s set about building a summer playground for the jet set. Jackie O, Princess Grace, Sophia Loren all came here to holiday and party in the 60s when this place had its heyday. Personally, I need an outfit for the evening strut, and I wouldn't be seen dead in a taxi. One of the great things about this place is that no one really knows who anybody else is, but everyone is paranoid in case they miss someone who really is someone, and everyone wants to be taken for someone by everyone else. And if you're prepared to shake your tail feather, everyone who's anyone will think you really must be someone. Wearing over $30,000 worth of clothes and jewelry really can make you feel like $1 million. This ritual display is seductive and alluring, but it's also excluding. It's like watching a wildlife film, utterly absorbing from the safety of a TV, but dangerous if you get too close. You could easily get sucked into the trappings of this lifestyle. Mind you, you'd soon get spat out again when the clock struck midnight.
The problem with celebrity spotting here is that many of them are hiding in the middle of the ocean on their private yachts, away from prying eyes, which is just not fair. So I'm going to get devious about this. I wonder what James Bond would do. Even the most attention-seeking celebrities need to get away from it all to find that deserted beach, that isolated island. And that's where I'm going now. But to get there, I need to go in style, at speed, and with Marco.
The Porto Cevo Marina is buzzing. Everyone here seems to have a boat. If you don't own one, you can charter one and pretend it's yours. Either way, you need a boat because they provide another superb opportunity to pose. But this isn't a harbour cruise sightseeing boat. This is a speedboat, and I've got some posing of my own to do. The island of Budeli is just over half an hour away from Costa Smeralda by speedboat, or 10 minutes if I'm driving. It's a popular run, and as Costa Smeralda has grown, the volume of traffic has taken its toll. The only boat allowed anywhere near the beach nowadays is the Coast Guard's, so I've had to swap boats and leave Marco sweating it out in the sun. The area is now a national park, and I've been granted special permission by the park authorities to visit this delicate treasure. The beach used to be a natural vivid pink, but now is sadly faded. It became the stuff of legend. Antonioni shot his first colour film here, Il Deserto Rosso, and people travelled for miles to get a glimpse of this unique sand. This is a common problem. People come to see a place because it's beautiful. They've heard about it on a travel program, and before you can say, "Morning, money penny," there are too many tourists spoiling the scenery. If you want to see the beach, you can get a guide to show you to the edge of the headland. You have to walk across from the other side of the island, but it's well worth it. There are hopes that if the pink makes a full Technicolor comeback, then small accompanied groups might be allowed to wander on the pink wonder once more.